Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll show you how to install CWP control panel in your web server. So let's start, guys. So now we have opened the putty, enter the IP address, our server IP address, and then we have entered the username and password here. I received the email address from DigitalOcean, so I simply copy the username and password and paste here in the terminal. It is temporary based password, so we have to change the password when we will log in first time. So I'll change the password, and now I successfully log in. I check our host name, and our host name is successfully. So now we have to clear the screen, and now we have installed the CWP control panel. So I'll give the link in description. So we have to follow these steps one by one. So first of all, we'll check the host name. So I already checked, but again I'll show our host name. So this is our host name, and then we have to follow this command. This is wget. You know already about this command, but we have to follow these steps if you have configured new server. So we'll update the CentOS and then reboot it. It will reconnecting. Meanwhile, I copy the next step. I'll use the CentOS 7. So I'll choose the CentOS 7 section command. So simply copy and paste it. It will download the required packages, and now it will download the required packages. It will take some time, and then at last, when our installation is completed, it will show our login path, our database password. So simply copy and paste for the future uses. Simply copy and paste, and then reboot the server. It will take some time. Meanwhile, we have to see the all related IP addresses and username. When our system is turned on, simply reconnect the connection. I'll again log in with our username and new setted password. I logged in, and now we have to open the required path. So this is the way how we can log in the browser. Simply here enter the username as a root and password as password, and log in into the CWP. Now we can set up the admin email address. In future, we will forget the username and password. So this is our admin email address. Simply type the email address and click on save changes. So this is the way how we can install the CWP 7 control panel in web server. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.